So today we're at my cabinet shop and we ordered this brass poles for a job. We do custom woodworking, and a lot of the times people don't want to go to the store to get the poles, handles. So we decided to start ordering them for the jobs. That way the customer doesn't need to hassle with that. And we're gonna make a template and show you how to put it. So today we're gonna show you an easy way to put it on. You grab a piece of masking tape, put it right about where you want it. We usually use center. Measure the dimensions, 3.5 inches. You measure your pole, the dimension. That's a 3 inch, so it's really easy. So you make 2 markings, 1.5 inches, and then we use a square. Hardware store that sells stuff for carpenters, and this is called brad point, which it makes really easy to drill. It has a really pointy tip. That way when you drill, you put it right at your mark, you press it down. It doesn't help you so your drill bit doesn't jump. The nice thing about this set, it comes with long screws and short ones, and it has a marking, so whenever you need to cut them, just get some pliers to cut metal and you just snap them right there. You got your screws.